Hello, my name is Victoriia Vradi. I continue the series of video lessons of the project From Simple to Complex. Today I'll show you the haircut undercut.
A classic undercut technique is worked with short lengths below the curvature of head through to a long disconnected length through the top area. The natural pattern is worked through the top area. The radial pattern is taken from the top of the head to the top of the ears. Horseshoe section is taken from the recession area at the front hairline through to a lower point in the back. A diagonal back section is taken in the front hairline under the horseshoe. The hair is combed to 90 degrees to over-direct it, and the line is cut to decrease in length towards the hairline, creating a vertical graduation. Another diagonal back section is taken. Diagonal back sections are continued from the side through the back. The hair is combed to 90 degrees to over-direct it, and the line is cut as a vertical graduation. Diagonal back sections are continued through to center back, and the method is repeated. Diagonal back section is now taken on the opposite side. The hair is combed to 90 degrees, over-directed and cut as a vertical graduation. Note the change in hand position. Diagonal back sections are continued to be taken through the side, and the method is repeated. Diagonal back sections are continued from the side through to the back. The hair is combed to 90 degrees to over-direct it, and the line is cut as a vertical graduation. Diagonal back sections are continued through to the center back. The hair under the horseshoe is now dried through its preparation for scissors overcomb. Starting the side, the hair is cut using a scissor overcomb technique. The technique is continued through the side and into the back area, working parallel to the hairline. This will help to work more with the head shape. Starting the hairline, the comb is slowly moved away from the head, working up towards the curvature to create the desired shape. It's important when using scissor overcomb technique to move the comb slowly while working up the head with the scissors are opened and closed more quickly to ensure no lines will appear within the hair. An offset profile section is placed on either side on natural pattern from the top into a center profile section through the back area. Parallel section is now taken. The hair is combed up and over-directed into the profile section and cut to follow the guide. Parallel sections are continued to be taken and over-directed into the profile guide, creating a build-up of length and weight towards the outside of the shape. The technique is repeated on the opposite side. It's important when working with this technique that you always stand on the opposite side of the sections being cut, and this will ensure that the guideline is clearly visible and will encourage consistency with the distribution. The technique is continued through the top area. The offset profile section is used as a guide. Parallel section is taken. The hair is combed up and over-directed and cut to follow the guide. Parallel sections are continued to be taken and the method is repeated. The technique is repeated on the opposite side. The offset profile section is subdivided to use as a guide and the parallel section is taken. The hair is combed up and over-directed into the offset profile and cut to follow the guide. Parallel sections continue to be taken and the method is repeated.
If you like this lesson, click like button, subscribe for my channel at YouTube, and you will see many interesting videos.